What up, buddy?
Nothing.
How was school?
Done.
Who's that, Sabretooth?
Yep. Sabertooth it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a vest. That never said anything about a color, even on the app. It just says, make sure you wear your vest when you come in. It doesn't say yellow or anything. It just, this is a standard safety vest. They come in all colors. I didn't know that. Yeah, they don't have any vests. I've never had a problem with a vest here ever. Literally, I've been coming here for 3 years. And I was just here yesterday. I do tours. Well, I guess this is not a vest. You have to have an orange vest. Even though I saw them let a lady in who had a pink vest on. Like, I don't know. Literally, the truck behind me, female driver, had a pink vest on with the oh god, dude, I tell you, I don't like those little automatic call centers. I don't understand why they need a call center. If you're gonna get rid of people at your gate and put in a call box, why don't you just have the scan? What's the point of having, when I go to certain facilities, they scan my phone and it has all the information. When I pull up to other facilities, they're too lazy to scan it. They want me to just read off the last four. Even though as soon as you pull up, your license plate number is associated with the load. So as soon as you pull up to the gate, your license plate number is already pulling up while you're there. They have you read back the last four of your load to confirm that this is right. You know, I have the same information that's pulling up. Why don't they just have a scan? Boop. I scan it. They have guards inside the shack, inside the guard shack. There's security guards there. Instead of the people checking you in, there's security there. Like, I don't know. I think they're going backwards. But hey, I gotta find something to complain about. Everything's not sweet over here at Amazon. But, you know, it's loading. It's keeping me loaded. It's giving me the home time I need. That's one good thing about owning your own truck. When you get fed up with something, you have options. Yeah, I don't have to pull Amazon loads. But I'm not going to affect the company like Amazon if I was trying to get back at them or make them change their ways. That's not what I'm trying to do at all. I'm just saying sometimes you need to switch up. But I tell you, when I wasn't doing this, I was missing it. So, it's whatever. Woosah! Getting back on it. It is hot as an elephant's sack out here, man. Woo! It's supposed to be cool, and it's like supposed to be the cool season. It's like June, July was cooler than this. It's crazy. So I guess now, even though, as you guys see, I've never ever had a problem with my vest getting in. I think she was just a new chick and reading off that paper. It was like, oh, vest. And she saw on the paper it said yellow or green. Well, it didn't say yellow or green. She saw a yellow vest or a orange. But they make lime green. They make all different colors of safety vests. As long as it has enough reflectors on it. So I don't know. That's one of the problems with the new system. They try to enforce like I don't know. She was like, well, you know, sorry, it's not me. It's just that they're saying people are not wearing their safety vests in the yard, so I have to make sure they have a safety vest on. And I'm like, I have a safety vest on. What are you talking about? Good. I'm happy you're making sure people have a safety vest on, but I have a safety vest on. Look, this is a safety vest. Yeah, but it's black. It's not this color. I'm so sorry. You're sorry that you have me in 110 degrees with my truck off while you try to figure out. We're going the wrong way. No. Why are you trying to figure out what color my vest is? This is nuts. Ooh. It's almost as crazy as getting on this freaking on-ramp. Like I said, I got a woosah. Woosah, woosah, woosah! Oh, let's get my footage. Alright, let's get back to it. That moon is beautiful. Now you can't see it right now, but hopefully it'll poke back out. Full moon. Holy moly. I don't think my camera's doing any justice. I'm on the back road 93. Number bugs and critters. Dirty windshield. Well, it is raining really bad, and I'm at some small, I'm at a small Amazon facility. They have like 10 dock doors here, maybe 12. I bagged into one dock door. It's raining really bad. Well, it was raining really bad. It calmed down a little bit now. But there's a sign on the door saying in between 11:30 to 12, just park at any spot from dock door 9 through 12 or something. So I just backed into a dock door here. Oh, there's another driver over there waiting too. He's in an Amazon truck. But yeah, my departure time is not until 1:37, and it's 11:20. So I got about 2 hours, damn near 3 hours before my departure time. So they say if nobody comes to the door, they're just gonna bobtail me to my next location. But yeah, I didn't open any doors or nothing because I don't have the cutters to open it. So I just bagged it to the door and they can figure it out. There's no yard jockey here, nothing like that. So I don't know what they're gonna do. They're gonna have to figure that part out. So I'll be long gone by then. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here and chill. Probably eat me a salad. Close my eyes for 3 hours, and hopefully I can complete this tour today because I got 3 other stops, but yeah, I don't know what Amazon's thinking. All right, this one's a little different. This is the Truckers Lounge. See, not all of them are fancy. But yeah, we're only at the other place for like 30 minutes. So we're still like 2 hours ahead of time. It's like 12 o'clock right now, 12:30. My departure time is 2:30 something, 2:37. So hopefully they get us out of here and 30 to 40 minutes. But until then, I'm eating me a salad and some ribs. The boys on that keto diet. All right.